It was Christmas season 2014. I was shopping in the Westfield Mall of London when I happened to bump into one of my students, Maria. Maria did something that had me wait and think. She was with her husband Victor and a younger daughter Tia, who had just turned 3. As we exchanged greetings, spoke for a minute or two, we could see that Tia was starting to feel a little bit impatient. Probably she wanted to go shop, see the Christmas decorations and so on. Anyway, we knew we would talk for a few minutes as we were meeting after a few months of Victor and Maria having done my NLP program. But soon, Tia showed signs of stubbornness and was about to cry when her demand was not being fulfilled. To Tia's surprise, Maria started crying along with her, making the same loud crying sound. This totally confused Tia, took her off guard, and she stopped crying. It took me by surprise too, and I said, "Wow, that worked." Maria instantly replied, "That's what you taught us." Law of flexibility? I said, and I was once again astounded with the variety of applications that NLP has in our day-to-day life. What Maria had creatively applied was one of the much less talked about foundations of NLP, known as law of flexibility. Technically, law of requisite variety. I'll now share what the law is and 3 simple attitudes that you could start developing to improve on flexibility. Simply put, law of flexibility states, a person with the most flexibility in a system can influence the system. I repeat, a person with the most flexibility in a system can influence the system. Look, what you want to communicate is your responsibility. If somebody doesn't understand what you're saying, you have to show flexibility in how creatively you can communicate whatever you want to convey. Just raising your volume or not changing the way you communicate doesn't help. Here are 3 simple attitudes that you can develop and improve on flexibility. 1. People respond according to their perspective. Try and understand their perspective. Fill the gaps between your language and theirs. 2. There is no failure, only feedback. Any situation that doesn't show us the expected result is at the least a step for us to learn what to eliminate. Keep looking at such situations and move on. 3. Your communication is as successful as the response it evokes. When communicating to evoke action, actual actions that people take is your greatest feedback. Remember, be it in a relationship, friendship, in a group, society, or a workplace, a person who can communicate powerfully in a variety of ways eventually emerges as a leader. Keep growing, guys, and choose happiness. Do like and share this video and subscribe our channel for more such videos.